Greetings from Delhi Medical Association and eMedi News. Welcome to the show Chat with Dr. KK. Today we have with us Dr. Sarita Gulati, who is a Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Metro Hospitals and Heart Institute. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
You are speaking on the subject CABG versus PCI. Okay. My first thing is, what is the take-home message?
Both modalities of coronary revascularization, that is the percutaneous transluminal angioplasty and coronary artery bypass surgery, are effective ways of getting their goals in their own ways. What is needed for a patient is a multidisciplinary approach. The clinical profile of the patient and his angiography findings, including his LV function, they need to be taken in totality to decide which modality is best suited for him. There are situations where there are clear-cut guidelines for using the angioplasty as the treatment of choice, and then there are situations where bypass surgery is the clear indication. But then there are grey areas where this heart team approach is required.
What are these grey areas?
What are the grey areas? Are the important subset of patient is multivessel disease, where we need to make a clear choice whether we want to go for a angioplasty or a CABG, and other important subgroup is the diabetic patients.
So in diabetic we go for?
In diabetic patients, if the disease is diffuse, there is involvement of left main, then one should go for CABG. And if there are focal lesions, diabetes is not long standing, there is no left main involvement, we can offer them angioplasty also.
In diabetic, do we have a specific stent?
Yes, we prefer drug-eluting stents in diabetes because it has been shown that the rate of restenosis is much less as compared to the bare metal
In
stents.
which patient not to go for PCI? Absolute indication for surgery?
Absolute indication for surgery, diffuse disease, multivessel diffuse disease, and the left main involvement, particularly the distal left main with involvement of the ostial LAD and ostial LCX, in plus right-sided involvement.
What about left main? Can we go ahead with the
left main
angioplasty?
is another area where we need certain discussions with the patient and the family. Ostial and the truncal left main in a setting when the patient is non-diabetic, no other comorbidities are there, can end with or no involvement of one or two vessels, can undergo angioplasty.
What about the new stents which where the polymer can be totally absorbed?
Yeah. Then they have advantages over the previous stents, that they are bioabsorbable, and the risk of that like endothelium not being there and the stent prone to late thrombosis, that gets resolved.
If your relation is going for an angioplasty with a drug-eluting stent, which drug-eluting stent will you prefer in your own relation? The bioabsorbable or the non-bioabsorbable? If cost is not a consideration.
For the non-bioabsorbable, we need more data also. So far, among the non-bioabsorbable, I will go for a sirolimus coated stent. Okay.
One line message for the society regarding assault on women, sexual assault on women, unrelated to your topic.
Yeah. See, I want Indian mentality to be changed. The viewpoint, the total social structure needs to be changed. Not just making laws and making the police deputed here and there will not solve the problem. The basic problem with we people are that we don't consider women as human beings. The mindset, the total social structure needs to be changed.
One more line about hands-only CPR to train public regarding revival of heart after death.
Yeah, this
public should be taught?
Yes, it is a very important aspect which we all general public should know, and like first aid, it is very important subject.
My last point to you, if you would not have been a doctor, what you would have become?
Maybe I'll have to think.
That means you always wanted to become a doctor.
I always wanted to be a doctor and I always wanted to be a cardiologist.
So what Dr. Sarita says is that she always wanted to be a doctor, and she is strong for education to prevent sexual assault in India, in the country, and she is very clear that there are specific indications for PCI, there are specific indications for bypass, but if there is a grey area, go for a joint opinion to find out. That's all for today. We'll come back with one more show. Till that, thank you. Goodbye.